Removal. Place the jacket and mobile system face down on an even, non-scratch surface. Remove the 3 P000 Phillips head screws that secure the right side cover to the jacket. Close the hand strap. And hold it firmly. Then, gently tug the right side cover away and remove it from the jacket. Gently pull the mobile system from the left to the right and remove the jacket. Replacement. Before you begin, make sure that the right side cover is removed from the jacket. Place the jacket and mobile system face up on an even, non-scratch surface, with the jacket positioned on the left. Push the mobile system and the jacket together from the right to the left side of the jacket, so that the mobile system's buttons and ports align with the slots on the jacket. Position the right side cover of the jacket so that the USB-C ports on the mobile system align with the USB-C slot in the jacket. Place the right side cover over the right side of the mobile system and gently push the cover clips into the jacket. Note: be careful not to damage the mobile system's USB-C ports during this step. Turn the jacket around and then replace the 3 P000 Phillips head screws on the jacket to secure the right side cover to the jacket.